do you answer this type of question? If today is Friday, how many days, what day of the week would it be 53 days from now? Do you start counting your calendar? So, then you keep going. No, quick way. Find out how many sevens you can find from that numbers of days you have been given. In this case, we are talking about 53 days. Okay, so how many sevens can we get there? Why? Because every week is in 7 days. So after 7 days, you have that same number of days. Okay, so how many sevens do I have in 53? How many sevens do I have here? 7 times 7 is 49. So I have 7 weeks, right? So that means 7 after each week. I'll still have one Friday. Each Friday, because after 7 days, we have the same day. So then I have 4 days left. 7 weeks, 4 days, right? So that means if today is Friday, 49 days after, we'll still have Friday. Okay, because that's 7 Fridays. But we would have 4 days. So that means it is not from this Friday. It is just 4 days forward that I'm going to move. Okay, so I'm going to say after Friday, I have Saturday, 1 day. I have Sunday, the 2nd day. Let me just put you here to make it different. Then I have Monday, the next day. Then I'm going to have what? Tuesday. So that means 53 days from now, the day of the week is going to be, am I spelling this correctly? Yes, it's going to be Tuesday. Okay, so that's how to solve this type of question. So for example, again, we have, if today is, let's say Monday, if today is Monday, how many days would it be? Which day of the week would it be 25 days from now? 25 days from now. So what do? Let's find the weeks here. So how many sevens can I get here? I'm going to have 3 weeks and then 3 days left, which means that 3 weeks after, we're still going to have Mondays in each Monday, right? So the next thing I'm going to now do is from Monday, I'm going to move 3 days forward. From Monday, we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, and then we have Thursday. So that means 25 days from that Monday, the day of the week is going to be Thursday. So that's how to solve this kind of question.